Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get voice chat on Roblox. First of all, open roblox.com and then sign in with your account. Then all you have to do is go to the top right corner, select that gear icon on the top right corner and go to the settings. Click on settings, this page will open. On this page, you will see a button called verify my age. All you have to do is click on verify my age. Now this pop-up window will appear. It will ask you to scan the QR code with your phone. So we will go to our phone and I will open my phone's camera. I will scan the QR code and now this page will open. Before you start, please have your valid government issued ID ready. Make sure you are in well-lit room. Be prepared to take a selfie and photos of your ID. Now you have to make sure you're over the age of 13. If you are over the age of 13, then you will be able or you will be eligible to get the voice chat on Roblox. So I am over the age of 13 for sure. So I will select begin verifying. You have to select your country of your government ID. I will select my country. Then you have to select your national ID or your passport. I will select national ID, and then what I will do, I will click the camera icon and then my camera will open, and then I will scan my national ID. I will select use this photo. I will flip my ID and then I will point my camera again to my ID. I will select use this photo. Now it will tell you your age is verified. Now if you go to the privacy and content maturity, then you will be able to see a new option called voice chat. Now all you have to do is turn on the voice chat and you're good to go. And that's how to enable voice chat in Roblox. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.